it. Those jerky movements.
Now we know who behind robbery, Kemosabe.
The puppet master again.
That's right, Lone Ranger. This is the third and last time you'll foil my plans.
I intend to make it your last time, puppet master.
Then you shall have the chance to meet Shandar in person, if you have the courage.
Try me.
A ticket.
Shandar's Puppet Show. Washoe City.
Not go, Kemosabe. It a trap.
I know, Tonto. But I wouldn't miss this show for my life.
Ghost town, Kemosabe. Nobody here.
Shandar's here, Tonto. There's the theater. Today only. Special attraction.
Death of Lone Ranger.
If I'm going to portray myself, I may have to change the ending. Let's go.
Ticket, please.
So, Shandar's a ventriloquist, too.
Check your guns.
No, Kemosabe.
We'll have to play by his rules, Tonto. For now.
Kemosabe!
Command performance. Only the Lone Ranger is invited.
It's all right, Tonto. I'll call out if I need help.
Front row center, Lone Ranger.
What?
Ah, a captive audience. And now Shandar presents the Gladiator. He could have killed you then, Ranger.
But the show would have ended before it started.
True. And I wouldn't have proved my puppet people are superior to real people.
If that's a challenge, I accept.
Then step up on the stage. The first act is about to begin. Meet your co-star, the Samurai Warrior.
Those sandbags.
Aye! Now you die!
Act 1 is over, Shandar.
Ah, but here comes Act 2, presenting the ballerina in her dance of death. Oh! Now, my beauty, now!
A very ungraceful finish.
But the final act will be your finish.
An excellent likeness, Shandar. Soon, only one Lone Ranger. Me.
Kemosabe! Which one real Lone Ranger? Kemosabe!
Kill him, Tonto.
Lone Ranger never shoot unarmed man.
The puppet show's over, Shandar.
Not yet. After I destroy this meddler, I'm coming for you.
Up here, Tonto. We must stop the gladiator.
Here I am, Ranger.
He's mine. Gone. So that's how it's done.
Watch yourself, Kemo.
This time, I will not fail.
Gladiator, you've got company.
No, no, you are my people. You have turned them against me. You know my secret.
That's right, gladiator.
Inside handsome giant, ugly little man.
And inside Shandar's real self, he's even uglier.
To the world, I was nothing. But to my puppets, I was everything. I was their master. You beat me, Lone Ranger.
No, Shandar. You were defeated by your own evil creations.
Tribe of spirit warriors ride each night. Attack all villages in flatlands. Drive Comanche, Kiowa from hunting grounds and hills rich with gold.
Gold? Ghost Tribe only attack Indian lands under new treaty. Call warriors together. Spirit warriors feel Kiowa arrows.
No, Tonto. Kiowa's brave, but not fight ghosts.
Listen. Many riders come.
Ghost Tribe, they come!
You not leave like others! Now you join ranks of the dead! Spirit warrior not right again. Now we learn truth about Ghost Tribe.
Ghost Tribe destroy village. Almost kill you. Now, Kiowas go north.
No, friend. Kiowa stay. Look, wooden lance. Ghosts not need weapon against men. I follow Ghost Tribe, if necessary, to grave. Watch for fire in sky, then attack.
You signal. Kiowa fight.
Fly, Tucker! On scout! Ghost Tribe ride around stream. Head for Comanche Flat's burial grounds. Faster, Scout. Ghost Tribe gone. As if spirit warriors return to grave. Maybe I stay near in case dead rise again. Spirit warriors! Leave your graves and let's ride! Stop, false spirit warriors! You dishonor brave dead!
A dead warrior! He's come alive!
It's a trick! Look, it's that engine we fought last night! Get him! Tucker! lucky ghosts carry shields. Stop spear. Maybe stop killer, too.
A fire arrow! Maybe it's a signal to the Kiowas.
Back to our grave?
Yeah, and fast!
Dry grass make fire wall. That stop ghosts.
Kiowas! They're coming for us! We're trapped!
Throw down weapons. You live. Resist. Kiowas send you to join real spirits.
We give up!
Leader escaped a tunnel. Only one way. Over fire.
Now let's clean off this whitewash and get out of here.
You get out all right to military prison.
It's him! Now that we ain't spirit warriors no more, we can use guns. Let him have it, Jed.
He's gonna look like a sieve.
Try out shooting me, Injun. No more! No more!
Then talk. Why attack peaceful tribes as spirit warriors?
The only way we could get gold out of Injun territory was to scare the tribes away. Then the land would be up for grabs. We'd be safe from the Injuns and the army.
Kiowas, here's spirit warriors' leader. Hold prisoner till army come.
It shall be done. We owe much thanks, Tonto. You show us. Only thing we have to fear, our own fears.
Victims of fear soon forget, but fear makers, they not forget for lifetime in prison.